Ferris, can you say hi? Hi. Can you wave and say hi? Hey, Ferris, can you say hi?
Hi.
Your sister can say hi.
Hi.
Be gentle. Hey, Petra, can you say hi?
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay, can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 7. What's this number?
I think that's 3. What's your favorite number, Petra?
What's this number?
That's 2. Petra, tell me what your favorite number is.
4.
4, I know. Okay, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.